This plum perfume was literally all over my Instagram and I had to buy it. Laneige launches a new product and I don't try it. Impossible. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and we are back with another video of monthly favorites. Monthly favorites is a series जो मैं हर महीने करती हूँ जहाँ पे I share some body care, makeup, skin care favorites that I have been using. So इस month मैंने जो जो खरीदा है मैं वो बताऊंगी and like review it for you guys. Now before I get into the video, let me tell you कि सारे products मैंने Amazon से लिए हैं. उस पर काफ़ी अच्छे offers भी चल रहे हैं. जितने भी ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं मैं सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी अलॉन्ग विद लिंक्स फॉर ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स. मैं लिंक्स कमेंट्स में भी पिन कर दूंगी तो चेक जरूर से कर लेना. एंड या आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू शो यू गाइस व्हाट ऑल आई हैव गॉट. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. Started with the first product. I'm not gonna lie, all the products that you're going to see in this video except two of them, I actually got influence from Instagram to buy it because I have been seeing so many people using them and trying them out, so I was like मुझे भी करना है. So the first one that I got is this Wishcare sunscreen. Now I am a sunscreen girly. मैं घर पे भी sunscreen पहनती हूँ. I love sunscreens. So I wanted to try this Wishcare one. ये मैंने इतने लोगों को देखा है यूज करते हुए. And this is the Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. इसको लगाते हुए मुझे एक हफ्ता हुआ है एंड सेफ टू से आई लव द टेक्सचर. ये लिटरली पानी है, मतलब अगर मैं इसको अपने हाथ पे डालूँ ना, इट रन्स लाइक वाटर. इट इज सो गुड. एंड ये कोई भी वाइट कास्ट नहीं छोड़ती है, बहुत ईजिली ब्लेंड हो जाती है. आई मीन जस्ट लुक एट इट. इट्स लाइक वाओ. There is very mild smell that I actually like in my products. बहुत strong भी नहीं है. So this is just probably something which I use like everyday basis and it's becoming like a favorite instantly. ये मेरा holy grail product बन गया है एक हफ्ते में and I don't think so I'm going to switch my sunscreens for a time now. I'm gonna stick with this. Maybe 2-3 more of them. So मैंने एक पहले तो ये order करी है and yeah, that's the first product that I got. Next product that Instagram made me buy was this Laneige का Glaze Tinted Lip Serum, which is basically जो Laneige के lip balms आते थे उसका एक better version. Now it has this donut application that I really wanted to try. तो मैंने ये जो flavor है मैंने cinnamon sugar में लिया है and I was not even sure कि like Amazon पे ये सब मिलता है Laneige वगैरह के products, but they have like so much stuff. So let me just show you on my lips. I'm in fact wearing that also, but I love it. It's so hydrating and like look at the color. I love it. Like I just need this lip balm which has like this tint and I do not need anything else on my lips. It does the job of a lip oil, of a lip balm, of a lip gloss as well, and I am good to go. So I'm obsessed with this product. I want to try the other shades also. I have just used this one shade because it was a little on the expensive end. I think ये मुझे कुछ 1100 रुपए का पड़ा था, which is a little expensive. So I thought let me just try it once, and if I actually like it I'll order like more colors and like more shades. So I want to try the other shade that they had. I don't remember its name, but वो थोड़ा सा light pink color में था. So yeah, that's next on my list, but I am loving this product and it makes my lips just look better. I love it. Next up, so मैंने ये Panorama mascara order करा है L'Oreal का. Now this is not a new launch. जो मैंने बाकी चीजें दिखाई हैं वो Instagram पे अभी भी चल रही हैं. This was somewhere I would say hyped around last year and I forgot to like buy it or like review it or something like that. But मेरे Instagram पे recently I saw this video of this girl doing makeup. बाहर की artist थी and she was using this mascara and the lashes looked so pretty. So I was like I need to order it and try it out. So मैंने order कर लिया and this is how the wand looks like. Wand भी थोड़ी अलग लग रही है मुझे इनकी. So let's actually apply it and see. It's supposed to like really lengthen your lashes. Honestly पता नहीं, मतलब मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा ड्राई है. Okay guys, this is how my lashes look right now. I'm not gonna lie, I do not like it. I mean, it does really nothing much for my lashes, so maybe this is a failed product. This Instagram purchase is something I would not suggest you to try. Next up, my Instagram made me buy this, which is the L'Oreal का Hyaluron Pure शैम्पू. आई लव दिस शैम्पू. मेरे बाल ऑयली रहते हैं, मतलब अब तो 3 दिन हो गए, बट इसके पहले जो मैंने बाल धोए थे इट वॉज सो गुड. लाइक मेरा एक्स्ट्रा सीबम, मेरा एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल जितना भी था सब निकल गया था. इट वॉज अमेजिंग. आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. मतलब आप देख सकते हो मैंने ये 2 बार वॉश करा है अभी इससे, एंड दिस इज माई सेकेंड परचेज. आई एक्चुअली वॉन्टेड टू यूज इट वंस फुल्ली एंड देन रिव्यू इट. सो मैंने ये वापस खरीदा है. ये 2 महीने पहले लॉन्च हुआ है, बट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज लाइक अमेजिंग फॉर लाइक ऑयली हेयर. जैसे मेरे जो बाल हैं, माई स्कैल्प इज ऑयली एंड माई हेयर इज ड्राई. So उसके लिए this is just perfect. I haven't found like a better shampoo in this price range that does not make my hair feel not nice, and this one makes my hair feel like so nice. So I am definitely obsessed with this one, and definitely has to be like one of my go-to products these days. Okay, next product that Instagram made me buy, in fact makes me buy every month almost, is this body wash from Chemist at Play. I have literally one in my bathroom right now. I got 2 of them. मैंने इसको पिछले बार भी किसी एक monthly favorites में दिखाया है, because there is no exfoliating body wash better than this in the price range. I think you get it under rupees 400, and it's so hydrating, it's so nourishing, it literally exfoliates your body so well. So Chemist at Play is literally doing something right. Plus it also comes with like ceramides. I don't know how much it has those of it, but it claims to, and मुझे तो personally इसका feel बहुत पसंद है. So even if it did not have ceramides, I would have been okay with it. But this one has to be one of my favorite body washes ever, and I love it, like absolutely obsessed with it. I think at this point Chemist at Play should make me their brand ambassador, because I keep promoting this body wash to all my family members, to all my friends. मैंने हर किसी को ये purchase कराया है, and everyone has fallen in love with this. So you guys also try if you haven't yet. Okay, next is something that I got influenced to buy, is because I saw a reel where a girl was just showing pink products and there was like pink Nikes. So I got the set of 2 deodorants, which are Nike deodorants, in this very pretty pink color. I love it. It's so cute and they smell like really nice. I mean, wow, I love it. I love Nike as a brand, and I love the deos also. These are very handy when I'm going to like gym after a long day. You know, sometimes you don't need a perfume, you just need a good deodorant, and this one literally works. Also, it lasts really long. It says 24 hours. I won't say 24 hours, but good 8-9 hours तक तो रह ही जाता है इसका smell, strong वाला. So I really like these two, and the color is also quite girly, so instant favorite again. I did not used to use deos. I was just using perfumes till now, but when I saw this, I knew I have to try it, and I think now I'm becoming a deo girly as well. So yeah, that's the next product that I got. Coming to the last product of this haul, so ये मेरे Instagram पे हर जगह है इस time, and I'm talking about this Plum Body Lovin' Pistachio perfume, Also Pistachio. I saw so many influencers doing the campaign for this one, and I knew instantly that I had to try it. तो मैं इसको एक हफ्ते से use कर रही हूँ whenever I have been going out, and it has this sweet vanilla smell. मुझे honestly पिस्ता की smell बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगी, but I like the smell. तो it's just something जो मुझे लगता है कि Plum is doing right with their perfumes, because they smell incredible and they last. I mean, there are sweet notes of pista after like it settles down a little bit, but overall the vanilla, the pista together, it's a beautiful combination, and the smell just lasts long, which I love about this perfume. A lot of perfumes in this budget do not last long, but this one does. So yes, the last item that I love in this month. Guys, this was everything that I recently got from Amazon. Do comment down below and tell me if you have tried any of it. मुझे personally ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगी, but if I have to pick my favorite, I think the sunscreen, the Wishcare sunscreen, oh my god, please, that is one thing you have to try. And yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. जितने भी products है सबके links जो हैं वो description box में mention कर दूंगी, comments में भी pin कर दूंगी, तो check जरूर से कर लेना. If you did like this, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.